And today we are making jellof rice with 1000 naira. So these are what we'll be needing for the process. This is oil, half cup for 130, seasoning for 50 naira, rice 3 cup for 360. Then this tomato paste is 100 naira, 50 naira pepper, 50 naira onion, crayfish 100 naira, 60 naira salt and blender and knife. So let's get cooking. The charcoal is 100 naira. We'll start by setting our charcoal. You add enough nylon bags on it so that the charcoal can catch on time. So we'll start by craving our crayfish. You can see how our crayfish is looking after blended. Then we'll blend our onions and pepper. It won't blend very smooth because this is manual and this is how it will look like. After everything, now we'll add our tomato paste to it and set it aside, our seasoning and crayfish. Then we'll set it aside and check our charcoal. So the charcoal is ready. We put hot water on the fire and add our rice to it. Then we turn. We'll allow it to get boiled, then we parboil it. Sorry for my bad manners. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are making jollof rice with 1000 naira. So you can see we're parboiling it. Then you add oil into your pot, then slice your onion first so that it will give it that flavor. After which we add our pepper, onions and tomato. Then we stir. We keep on stirring it because it has to, bring out that flavor. So we stir it properly. Give us that party jollof something, now. So you add water to it and stir. Now we'll add our seasoning and crayfish to the water. We're going to be adding salt. After which we'll add after which we'll stir it, cover it and allow it to boil. So it's boiling. Sorry I didn't set my camera well. So now we'll add our rice. Then we stir it a bit. Then we'll cover it and allow it to get done. And this is our jollof rice. You can see the jollof rice is ready. See? So what do you think? See our rice o, see packaging, I've plated it. We did not have meat. Na meat we no get we no keep person, but you can see it now. See our rice o, our rice is ready. At least if you go to the restaurant now, you will buy this for 1,500 plus meat. Okay, let's say without meat, this is 1000 naira, and the same 1000 naira we used to prepare this that can serve about 6 people. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share our video. Until I see you.